Now we're going to use some unique. We'll do some unique. You just said to create odd numbers from 1 to 10. So enter. Okay, user set to create odd number. First of all, we'll create our set from 1 to 12. Let's create set 3. Name our set 3 equals to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I want to create an odd number. Okay, let's create our odd number. Okay, odd underscore numbers equals to, let's say, okay, odd numbers, we have all the even number here, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Then set 3 minus equals to odd underscore numbers, print set 3. So print should enter. So they gave us the odd number from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 11. Hey, I made a mistake. It's 12 here. We have to remove. We have to add 12 to this. 1, 2. Good. That's the odd number from 1 to 10 and from 1 to 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very simple code. You're putting odd number from 1 to 10. I think this is nice. Have a nice